Hello everybody, Max here, welcome back in another video. It's a new day and another occasion to buy products from China. Speaking of products from China, we used to have the CN Funds Panda Buy before, but now we do have CNShopper. CNShopper is a great new agent that allows you to buy the products straight from China. You can buy them for the fraction of price what would you pay in the Western countries, and also you can check everything with the QC pictures, so it's all a very pleasing process to do so and to shop on the CNShopper. Let me show you real quick. So before we start, I also want you first to sign up to the CNShopper. So please take a look at the link in the description and sign up to the CNShopper website. By signing up with my link, you will receive 7 coupons worth $239 in total, so you can get yourself very nice deal on the shipping. I've purchased a lot of items using the Chinese agents, and as you can see, the quality of the products is great. Everything looks just the way it should be looking and there are no defects. But okay, with that out of the way, let me show you first how to purchase an item using the CNShopper website. So first of all, you need the links for products, and you can acquire them simply by clicking on my spreadsheet down in the description. So here is one of the products that I usually buy. This one is the Salomon XT6, and let me just copy this and paste this thing into the CNShopper like this using the search bar here. Let's paste this thing in and let's hit enter. As simple as this, it takes me to this website, which is initially the Medium page. As you can see, we've got a price of $45. Now you can simply choose your size and the product that you want. Later on, it will arrive to your warehouse. Simply click on a warehouse tab here. This thing loads up, and as you can see, now in here I've got all of the items that I purchased, and let me just show you the Salomons so we can view them. As you can see, we've got all the pictures, everything looks fine as it should be looking, and they do come with the box and everything. So yeah, the shoes look absolutely amazing. Now you can also search for a product simply by using this image thing. Let's hit upload, and as you can see, it searched for this item. And we have actually found the Gucci sneakers here, so as you can see, it works quite easily, and now you can just simply browse for whichever product you want here. It's amazing. I do use this feature quite a lot. And in here you can also pick which of the source of items you want to look for. You can choose using the Taobao or Weidian as well, so it's all looking amazing. On 1688 there's usually the most of the items, so I prefer this one, but there are also amazing products on the 2 other ones as well. But yes, once you are sure that you want to purchase this item, simply click on the checkout, click on I understand, and now you can simply purchase this exact item. You can also put some remarks here if you want some tweaks or you want some extras to be added, so you can ask them for that as well. Everything here is negotiable. You can apply some coupons if you want to. I don't have currently any for this product, but I'm sure if you sign up you will have some products, and then you submit pretty much this order. And in here you also have hundreds of different payment methods, maybe not hundreds, but you've got Apple Pay, you've got PayU, Blick, you've got MasterCard, Visa, everything is available in here, so I'm sure you'll be able to pay for your order, and all the transactions on this platform are safe, so don't worry about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I helped you with just purchasing products on the new platform called CNShopper. If you have any questions, simply ask me in the comments, I will answer you, and don't forget about signing up with my link down in the description as well. And yeah, have a great one, have a good one. Good luck ordering products on the Chinese platforms. Have a great day, bye!